Hey guys, my name is Danny. I'm the photographer here at Vanity Studios. Today's video is making you look your best, so I'm going to be guiding you through a series of poses that we shoot with our clients here. Today my model is Lou. If you like this video, subscribe, click the like button, and let's have some fun, get on set. So, first pose, really easy one, legs out a little bit wider. And then if you just push your left hip just a little bit to the side, so just sort of rolling on there, that's great. And then if you just twist your left shoulder around towards me, brilliant, and chest up. And it's always good to have the chest up because it gives you a nice posture, shoulders nicely sort of curved back. And then with the hand that's just behind you, if you just put your thumb just into the pocket, yeah, nice and simple, chin around towards me, towards the light, and that way all the light goes onto your face, keeps everything looking really, really good. And then with the left leg that's extended, you pop it out on your toe, yeah, great, it really extends the length of the body, beautiful. And the first shot, yeah, just looking away, up into the light, brilliant. And then just for something a little bit more relaxed, if you let your arms just let them flow, that's good. And then now lean onto your other hip, so push it away. And then just twist again, just sort of shaping with the body. And from this position, with the arm at the back there, you can put it onto your hip, bring the elbow around to me just a touch, and bring the fingers around the tail as well. Whenever you bring your hands around nice and sort of relaxed with the wrist, that's great. Perfect. Eyes to me this time. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Great. First pose, real easy one. So legs out nice and wide. And then if you can just twist your right hip, just pull it back just a touch, and then lean onto it. And that gives you a real nice shape with the hip bone there. Brilliant. Right hand onto the hip. That's it. Beautiful. Shoulders nice and relaxed. And then chest up, just so you got that posture there. Beautiful. Move your chin just this way. And the first shot, you're just going to look away straight into that light. Brilliant. And on 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And if you can extend that left leg a little bit further, great. Well done. That gives you a nice bit of length. Brilliant. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Second bit of movement, if you can turn your feet facing to the side, hair just off the shoulder in front, and bring your arm in front of you, and then just upper body nice so you've got great posture, and then just a slight lean towards me. Excellent, and eyes to the camera. Brilliant, well done. And on 3, 1, 2, 3. And maybe a little smile as well. Yeah, you got it. Excellent stuff. Third pose, if you can turn to the side this time, and then just bring your left foot forward and your right foot back. Good, and then if you can bring your thumbs just into your loops this time, that's good. And then this is a really good one for if you're self-conscious in front, you just slightly turn away from me so I can see your back. Brilliant, and then arch your body, and then just push your bum back just a touch like this. Good, and eyes to the camera, you got it. And that smile, 1, 2, 3, brilliant, excellent stuff. And let's maybe move a little bit of hair off the neck as well. Show a little bit of neckline, and again, eyes to me just here. Yep, lovely. Excellent, and then let the arms just relax. That's good. Good. Excellent, and then the final one, you turn your feet this time, just pointing towards the corner of the backdrop there, that's good. Let all your hair come down your back. It's a great way of showing the length of your hair in a shot. And then feet just a little bit wider, that's good. And then lean onto your right leg. So you push your hip just to the side, that's good. Thumbs just into those front pockets. Shoulders nice and smooth and soft, that's brilliant. Little tiny twist to me, so you're looking at your shoulder, brilliant. And then upper body nice and tall. Imagine there's a bit of string on your head, so I'm just pulling you up nice and tall, that's good. Eyes to me here, and 1, 2, 3. Brilliant, lovely big smile, and go for it. Well done, very good. So, next ones we're going to do a bit more high fashion, so what I need you to do, turn to the side. That front leg, just lift it up onto your other leg there, hands on those hips. And then when I say go, a little hip hop and twist towards me. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yes, lovely, cool. And one more time, real twist the body to get a nice shape. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yes, excellent. Perfect, cool. And then what we're going to do this time, a bit of movement. So we're going to do like a mini jump. So what I need you to do, if you turn your body facing this way, hair off the shoulder in front, that's good. And then the way you're going to jump, you're just going to leap into the air and then kick the back leg up and look down to the floor. Keep your arms nice and fluid and chest up so you've got great posture, okay? A lot of instruction to be okay, all right? So whenever you're good, 1, 2, 3, and go. Yes, love that, that's cool. And we'll do exactly the same again, that little mini jump, but maybe push your hand into the hair at the same time. Brilliant stuff. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yes, great stuff, well done. Excellent, yeah, very, very cool. And then the last one, let's go for a power pose. So feet out nice and wide, rolling onto the hip there, both hands on those hips, bring the elbows forward. Bring your hip just round towards me, and chest up so you've got that curve. First one, look away from the camera. That's good. Hold it there and extend that right leg a little bit longer. Yes, you've got it. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And then eyes to the camera just here. Chin up this time, so you're looking down at the camera, a bit more powerful. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Great expression. Excellent shot. Well done. Very good. So first pose, what I need you to do, if you can have your feet either side of the chair, so lift it up. That's good. Knees facing me. Good. If you can bring your right foot up as well, so both feet up onto the chair. And then what you're going to do, just bring that right leg right around the corner of the stool. Good, and then arms holding into the middle of the chair. And so again, it's a nice sort of like power twist. So what you're going to do, that left shoulder comes around towards me, head comes towards the shoulder. So you've got a nice bit of shaping in the upper body. If you bring your feet on your tiptoes, it's really good shaping for the legs. Keeps them nice and narrow. And eyes just looking away from the camera. Brilliant. First shot, and 1, 2, 3. Very, very cool. And then one more. Eyes now lifted into that light. Just move a little bit of hair out of your eye. Good? Yeah, great. And again, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Then eyes to the camera just here. That's cool. And that little smile coming through. Well done, great. And let's do another pose. If I can get you just to have your legs facing the doorway, so just turn to the side. And then just bringing your right foot onto the floor. So if you change your legs, right foot, brilliant, well done. Hair off this shoulder, again, create a nice long neckline. And then what you're gonna do, just bring that arm just behind you like this, so you're holding onto the air, perfect. And if you lift your upper body, so you're nice and tall, left hand behind the hair, little grip, that's good. First shot is looking down, and then the next shot looking up at me. So first shot looking down, great. Now push your upper body forward because you're lovely curve in your back, beautiful, well done. Now looking towards the light for the next shot, that's good, excellent. And then with that arm now, just take it off the chair, bring it in front of you, and then hold onto the elbow. That's great. Eyes to me, there, good. And again, that little smile coming through. Perfect. Well done. So let's do some shots, maybe crouching down. So what I need you to do first, if you take a little step back, that'd be great. So, and then move a little bit to your left. That's it, cool. I'm just going to bring the light down a little bit more towards the floor so we get everything nicely lit. Still coming from a height, but everything will be lit down on the floor as well. And then all you're going to do, if you crouch down, that's good. And then extend your right leg out. That's it, just there, perfect. And then with your left shoulder, just bring it around towards me. Bring the arm forward, just away from the body, just keeps the arm nice and sort of trim, and then chest up nice and tall. And then again, first one, looking away from the camera, well done. Right there, Lou, nice and quick. And 1, 2, 3, well done. Brilliant. What I need to do, if you can now sit onto the floor, and then just bring in yourself a little bit more central into the background. Great, keep that angle there, just maybe a tiny bit back, and then hair off your left shoulder. And then the first shot, just bring that foot closer towards you, hands onto your legs there, curve your upper body so you get great posture again. And with that shoulder grab, just dip it and bring the elbow towards me. It just sort of loosens the arm, brilliant. Eyes looking over your shoulder away from the camera. You got it. And 1, 2, 3. Well done. In that position, right elbow onto your knee now, fingers into the hair. And maybe let's lift those eyes up, looking off and away. That's cool. Well done. And then the last one. From that position now, left hand onto the floor. Good, push that shoulder in this time. Good, and then just bring the arm a little bit closer towards me. So you're taking your arm away from your body. Again, just sort of makes it a little more flattering. Perfect, fingers round towards me. That's good. Fingers nicely open, just a touch, a bit more relaxed. Great. Again, eyes to me now. And 1, 2, 3. Very good, and a big smile coming through. You can do it, yeah. Well done, brilliant. I love that with the head back as well. Cool. Okay guys, so yeah, now you've seen females pose, now you're going to see how the males pose. Slight difference in variations, standing, we'll do sitting, might do a few crouching as well. I'm here with Mex, he's going to be my model for today. Let's get started. So, first pose, feet facing me this way, Mex, just legs out a bit wide, and then with your arms, so you bring your hands behind your arms, just add a bit more beef on those arms, so that's it, cool. Shoulders nice and relaxed there, and then head just looking to one side, so just looking away from the camera, nice and chill, just hold that there. Brilliant, well done. And one more, just lift your eyes just up towards the light this time. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And this time you can have the feet a little bit wider. And then with those hands from that position, just bring them down to the midriff just there. So fingers together, nice and chill. Just slight bit of movement with that left shoulder going back. Great, and then just bring the fingers overlapping each other. So again, it looks like you're just sort of chilling, just waiting. Brilliant. Slight smile at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Good man. Easy, very good. Cool, from that position what we can try, you turn your feet facing this way, arms nice and sort of dropped, take about half a step back into the middle of the set, keep going, and that way we get nice full length, brilliant. And then yeah, what you're going to do, just chest up again, keeping that posture, arms nice and fluid, brilliant. Eyes to me, so just looking here, and again, 1, 2, 3, well done. And then this time, from that position, put your left hand just into the back pocket. And all you're going to do, just a slight rotation, left to right there. Head look over your shoulders away from the camera, brilliant. And 1, 2, 3. Very, very good. And then last one, feet facing the other way. So turning around, that's good. Feet a little bit wider. And then what you're going to do from that position, just bringing your hands again together, just like this, that's good. And turn away from me this time. So you're looking, that's it, good. So looking over your shoulder, perfect. Eyes it, and again, all about the eyes. So a tiny smile, brilliant. 1, 2, 3, well done. And from that position now, let those arms relax, just let them drop. Again, keeping everything nice and tall, brilliant. 1, 2, 3. And from there, fingers into the pockets. Very good, we'll do a nice full length. And let's go actually fingertips rather than the thumbs. So fingers just like, that's it, great. A little lean back, just straight up your spine. Brilliant, well done. Really key to keep everything nice and tall. 1, 2, 3. Cool, so let's do some sitting poses. You can take a seat onto the chair, bring your feet up, and then just have your feet facing me this way. So the 3/4 length, that's it, that's great, cool. Just slightly facing away from the camera. If you bring now your elbows just forward onto your knees there, that's good. And then head just looking away from the camera, perfect. Upper body just a little push, there, you've got it. And 1, 2, 3, well done. Very good. Now eyes to the camera just here, head around a little bit, and then just tilt it slightly so you get a nice angle. Good, chin down. Yeah, eyes straight into the camera, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Very, very good. And then from that position, all you need to do, just bring your right foot down onto the floor. That's good. Left hand, just bring it onto the thigh and slightly lean into it as well. That's good. And then head, just bring it to the side there. And again, just looking away, relaxing the face, nice and chilled. 1, 2, 3. Got it, and then now both those arms, just let them hang. Good, yes, and eyes into the camera here, brilliant. 1, 2, 3. Bring your right shoulder back this time, just a tad, you've got it. 1, 2, 3. Cool, so we're just gonna do some crouching shots and maybe 1 or 2 sitting on the floor as well. So first thing what I need you, if you can crouch down for me, just sort of squatting into there, just sort of bringing the hands together, that's good. And then all you're gonna do, make sure your shoulders are always relaxed. Just gonna bring that light down just to light you nicely. And then just move your chin to one side and eyes looking away. That's good. Keep it nice and chill. And 1, 2, 3. Well done, brilliant. And let's try almost like the footballer pose, putting the right hand onto the floor. That's good. Left arm, just bring it a bit closer towards you. That's good. And head a little tilt this way. Great. Well done. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. The major difference with the arm movements is if you keep the arms as a guy, you can keep the arms close to the body, makes the muscles bigger. With girls, you always have to think about bringing the elbows away from the camera, away from the body. So the elbows away from the body, arms closer to the camera, that way it sort of slimlines the arms, which is a lot more flattering for women. And then final shot, if you can sit down onto the floor. And then yeah, left arm, left leg under, that's great. And then just bring your elbow on top, perfect. And then yeah, first shot again, just looking away from the camera, brilliant, holding it there. With your upper body, just a slight lift, that's good. And then head just a little bit lower, again, so I can get a bit of jawline, and then all about the eyes moving, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Very cool. And then one more, just bringing the feet away from the camera a little bit this time. There, great stuff. And then head looking down this way, well done. 1, 2, 3, upper body, little lift, you got it. Posture is so important, really, really good. Eyes to me this time, that's cool. Yeah, well done, brilliant. And then the final shot. Feet facing me, legs a little bit wider, elbows onto the knees, that's good. Yeah, great. Maybe move those feet a little bit this way, that's it, good. And bringing the feet away from the camera, so you're 3/4 onto the camera, brilliant. And then just with the feet, just bringing them a bit closer towards you. Great, and from that position I can crop in, just a little turn with the head. Great movement, stay there. And 1, 2, 3. Well done. And one more, just the right shoulder relaxed a little bit. Good. 1, 2, 3. Cool, so guys, we are all finished. I hope you found this video useful and has inspired you either to go behind or in front of the camera. Take care, and if you like the video, just press the like button and subscribe, and look for more content coming up. Thanks very much, guys.